Good morning. Yeah. So, I've started fishing. I've started fishing. Oh, yeah. So, anywho, yeah. Juneteenth has come and gone, and for those of you who celebrate, happy Juneteenth, belated Juneteenth, and for those of you who want the holiday removed from the calendar completely, I just have a nice big happy fuck you. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, it's a beautiful day. It's a Sunday morning, and like most atheists, I enjoy my nice, relaxing Sunday mornings, not having to rush off and go to church, but instead being able to sit back, relax, take it easy, and, yeah, plan my fishing day. Because fishing is my thing. I enjoy fishing. So I'm going to be doing some fishing today. And, yeah, maybe you can come with me and join me. And we can catch some salmon or some trout, maybe some bass. Yeah, maybe some bass. That'd be nice. Anywho, yeah, so anywho, going out fishing and enjoying a very lovely morning. It is still morning. And yeah, this is how I spend my Sunday mornings now, fishing. And sitting in the shade and relaxing and enjoying. Yeah, because it's a beautiful day. Quite enjoyable, quite peaceful, quite pleasant. Now, I do have it on very good authority from a number of apologetics people that the reason that I'm an atheist is that either A, I really want to sin, whatever that means, or B, I have something called church hurt. Again, whatever that is. The real answer is, of course, none of the above, because neither one is actually relevant to me. Yeah, so this little flotilla is my morning welcoming committee. Oh, there they are. Yeah. So, lunch. Oh, yeah. So I got chips and salsa. Oh, yeah, so it is a beautiful morning, and there is the sunrise. Right up there. Oh, yeah, reflecting on the water right down there. It is a beautiful thing, and you can just as easily imagine Horus or Amun-Ra as you can Jesus being the creator of this sunrise. Both are equally viable and valid. You can imagine Helios in his fiery chariot racing across the sky. You can imagine Tammuz clearing away his storms to allow the sun to shine through. You can imagine any solar deity, or any storm deity, or any deity at all, being responsible for a sunrise. But that doesn't mean necessarily that that god had anything to do with it, or that any god had anything to do with it. Because the sunrise is literally created by the rotation of the Earth around its own axis, so that the side that faces the sun changes over the course of a day as the Earth rotates. And the reason we don't feel this rotation is the Earth is just so damn big that its gravity means that the atmosphere rotates with it, the ocean rotates with it, and we rotate with it because the local gravity is stronger than the centrifugal force generated by the rotation. The Earth is a ball. It is not a flat disk resting underneath a domed structure that supports weight. It is a ball. So why don't I believe in any gods? Well, because the evidence overwhelmingly shows that none of them are terribly plausible. And this doesn't just go for Jesus and his father, who is also himself Jehovah. It goes for Isis and Osiris and their son Horus, who is the sun god and is also manifested as Ra, who is merged with Amun to form Amun-Ra. Yeah, that's another god that I don't believe in. It's just as valid as Helios, or Apollo, or Zeus, or Hera, or Aphrodite. It's just as valid as Cernunnos, or Birgid, or any of the other Gallo-Celtic gods and goddesses. It's just as valid as Odin, or Thor, or Freya. It's just as valid as Tammuz. They're all equally imaginary. This isn't just about your God. It's about all gods. I equally do not believe in all of them. And if somebody could show me verifiable, testable evidence that they do exist, then I would believe that they exist. Would I worship them? No. Because if you read the mythologies of all of them, none of them are worthy of worship. They're all petty, spiteful, stupid, selfish entities who demand worship, but who do nothing to actually earn it.